Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Mechanics, today we're going to show you how to test and diagnose a pretensioner. It will be about the same procedure for all vehicles. We're demonstrating on a Ford Escape now. So stay with us to see how you can do that, guys, and know if you have a problem there, if the airbag light that you have on is on because of a pretensioner or some kind of problem that relates to something else. So as you can see, this is the pretensioner right here. It has two wires. Usually the black ones, those are the ones that tells you if the seat belt is buckled or not, and those you don't care about right now. The yellow one, if you have yellow and yellow connector, that's always almost 99% of the time it's part of the airbag system. So now if you unplug it, actually you can see the wires are right there inside, but you cannot test it like that. Okay guys, and this is the wire right here, and I'll show you why it doesn't work if you just test it right here. Because inside there is metal clips, okay, right here, and when you unplug the wire, it touches both of them at the same time, both wires. So what happens, it will show you zero. It's like it's nothing there. And what you need to do in this case, you will need to plug it back in, and you need to go and found the wires. Okay, you can see in this case it's green with red and green with black, and go and find them on the big wire clip right here under the seat that connects all the wires. Okay, let me show you right here. So those are the ones right here in the middle, the two. So you need to go on the back and just find those colors. As you can see, green with red and green with black, and they correspond to the one right here. And you need to put your ohm meter on 200 right there. And as you can see now, it says 1 because there is no connection at all. And now when we touch it, you see the voltmeter will stay on, and that's because that pretensioner is bad. And I'll show you why. As you can see, this one, it's already activated, it's pretty much deployed, so it's not fixable. And now we're going to demonstrate you on the good seat, the seat with the good pretensioner right here. Okay, we're going to have, again, as you can see, 1. And if we test it now, again, those same wires, it should read something under 0.5. Okay, as you can see, 0.6, 0.5, that's pretty close, so that means this one is good. Okay, 0.5 right there. And this pretensioner, as you can see, it's good, but sometimes it could be just the wire and the connection right here, so it needs to be cleaned or replaced. But that's how you can test it with the ohm meter, so you know what to do next. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.